back to another tutorial. It's your girl Armanda, and I'm back with a new tutorial. You guys peeped how I did that. We're going by Armanda now. So today we're trying a wig from Yolissa hair. I've been wearing Yolissa's hair for like almost a decade now. We're that locked in, it's crazy. Anyways, the wig that I'll be showing you guys today is a 13x4 HD lace front wig. It's 26-inch, small cap. The texture is water wave. I haven't done water wave in so long. That used to be my favorite texture, so I kind of wanted to get like a little reminder, so we're gonna be doing water wave today. This is their box. It says Yolissa in the front. I love how the pink matches with my pink bonnet and robe combination right now. Super cute. When you open up the box, you would find your wig. You will also find HD wig caps. It comes with 2 in here. You will find a wig band and also a silk scarf and a satin bag to keep your curls nice and protected once you take the wig off. You will also find some lashes. So that's everything that comes in this goodie box. This is what the wig looks like. I'm not sure what the density is, but she feels super heavy. She feels nice and full. The curls are popping. They look really healthy. It does say that the lace is pre-plucked and it's a HD 13x4. Like I said, I'm about to show you guys what it looks like. Look how bomb this looks. Straight out the bag, it pretty much looks ready to go. Pre-plucked already. The middle part, the knots have been bleached. This is what the inside looks like. It comes with combs on each side and a band. Usually this is all I need to do my glueless installs. I love when they include this in the wig. Like, it will make your whole install easier, trust me. It also has these little adjustable straps at the bottom right here. So that's what the wig looks like. I just love the quality of this hair. It's super full. Like I said, it's a 26-inch, so she's really long. But yeah, that's what the wig looks like. I'm super excited. She is a bomb straight out the box. Let's go ahead and install her.
I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good at that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushing. Louis V, but my t-shirt is top. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly rinse on, sipping a test. Go get it a must. Fuck a good and a pussy no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Get that shit out there, ground in the mud. Yeah, look at it glitzy, see what I mean? Gotta be faces, we pink and green. Fuck on the naked, bust on the spleen. Cross on the car, 3K for the jeans. Feel like a plug, keep a trick on my sleeve. I'm cool on you drugs, I don't want to flee. I'm smoking exotic, it don't got to see. Been in the roof and I can feel the breeze. Pockets got nachos, that's some chili cheese. Smoking gelato, got me feeling knees. Might got that rolling for my oldest knees. I drop a hit, I'm knowing what they need. I check out the motor, gotta have some speed. Do it by focus, I can see the feed. Cash running over, I can feel the greed. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good at that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushing. Louis V, but my t-shirt is top. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly rinse on, sipping a test. Go get it a must. Fuck a good and a pussy no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Got this shit out there, ground in the mud. When they got rich out the ground in the mud. I'm riding the roads and the mink is a road. Now I'm pushing the trunk is a hood. Told her come through, come and sit on this wood. Neighborhood truck used to cap up a jug. Fuck the net in the back of the hood. I never read and keep that understood. Ain't going backwards, I don't think I could. These labels be trapping rappers like they should. Got M's in a bad bitch, I feel life is good. They making the payment, held down on my foot. Been patiently waiting, wish a nigga would. Just drop a location, my niggas are done. I got an old bitch, can't wait for me to score. Just picked up 200, I'm headed to 4. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Looked at that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushing. Louis V, but my t-shirt is top. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly rinse on, sipping a test. Go get it a must. Fuck a good and a pussy no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Got this shit out there, ground in the mud. I blow push, got these clouds out of butt. Throw them rats up, it look like a flood.
Alright you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As you guys could see, the wig is laid, baby. I did no baby hairs. It looks even more natural. It's giving HD. It's giving what lace? Stop playing with me. Like, do you see this? Do you see how good this looks? Now you guys see why I love waterwave. It's absolutely my favorite. It's the best texture. You get like a 2-in-1. It's super sexy, really fun. I literally just showed you guys everything that I do. It's super easy, so if you're a beginner you could definitely do this. It took me nothing and I'm obsessed with the way it looks, and the texture is 10 out of 10. All I literally did was wet the hair and I applied a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to keep my hair looking healthy and nice and curly. Treat your wig like it's your hair, you know what I mean? You want to make sure it's well taken care of. You want to make sure you moisturize the curls so you could keep that perfect look. Okay, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, make sure you guys check out Yolissa hair. I will have all the links down below to the wig, to their store, and everything else you guys need to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next install.
Hit me with all of that melanin, hocus pocus, baby.